Good morning, friends. Today we shall discuss about the microcontroller, that is 8-bit AVR microcontroller with 32 kilobyte in system programmable flash. They are also called as 8 mega 32 or 8 mega 32L. Now we shall discuss about the features of this microcontroller. It is high performance, low power AVR 8-bit microcontroller. It have advanced RISC architecture. This means reduced instruction set. It have 131 powerful instructions. Most single clock cycle execution means most instruction executes in single clock cycle. It have 32 by 8 general purpose working registers, means we can say that it have 32 registers, each contain 8 bits or 1 byte. They are fully static operation up to 16 MIPS throughout at 60 MHz on chip 2 cycle multiplier. Then we have non-hotel program and data memories. It have 32 kilobytes of in-system self-programmable flash whose endurance is 10,000 write/erase cycles. It have optical boot code section with independent log bits. In-system programming by on-chip boot program. True read-write operation. It have 1024 bytes EEPROM whose endurance is 1 lakh writes per erase cycles. It have also 2 kilobyte internal SRAM. SRAM is static RAM. Programming lock for software security. It has GTAC facility. It has two 8-bit timer counters with separate pre-scalers and compare modes. One 16-bit timer counter with separate pre-scaler, compare mode and capture mode. Real-time counter with separate oscillator. 4 PWM channels, 8 channel 10-bit A to D converter, 8 single-ended channels, 7 differential channels in TQFP package only, 2 different channels with programmable gain at 1x, 10x or 2000x, byte-oriented 2-wire serial interface, programmable serial interface, programmable watchdog timer and with a separate on-chip oscillator. Special features are power on reset and programmable brown cut detection, internal calibrated RC oscillator, external and internal interrupt sources, 6 sleep modes, that they are idle, ADC noise reduction, power save, power down, standby and extended standby. It has 32 programmable I/O lines, 40 pin. It is 40 pin PDIP package. Operating voltages are minus 2.7 volt to plus 5.5 volt for 8 mega 32L and minus 4.5 volt to 5.5 volt for 8 mega 32. Speed is 8 MHz for 8 mega 32L, 60 MHz for 8 mega 32. Power consumption at 1 MHz 3 volt 25 degrees Celsius for 8 mega 32L is 1.1 milliampere when it is in active mode, 0.35 milliampere when it is in ideal mode, and less than 1 microampere when it is in power down mode. Now we shall discuss about the pin configuration of microcontroller. It is 40 pin IC. There are 20 pins on the either side. As shown in figure, pin number 1 to 8 they are for port B. So it have 4 ports: port A, port B, port C and port D. So pin number 1 to 8 they are for port B. Then pin number 14 to 21 they are for port D. Then we have pin number 22 to 29 they are for port C. That is when the pins PC0, PC1, PC2 and so on up to PC7 are connected to pin number 22 to 29, and pin number 33 to 40 they are for port A. So there are 32 pins for 4 ports. Remaining pins are for power supply, reset, crystal connection, A reference, A VCC and ground etc. So here we can say pin number 9 is reset pin. Pin number 10 and 11 is supply voltage plus VCC and ground pin. Pin number 12 and 13 are used to connect crystal. They are named as XTAL2 and XTAL1. Then pin number 30 and 31, they are for A, VCC and ground, and pin number 32 is A reference. Now pin number 1 to 8, pin number 14 to 21, pin number 22 to 29, and pin number 33 to 40, they are dual purpose. Dual purpose means they are work as a pins of the ports, as well as they are also work as to send a signal which are mentioned in the bracket. Okay. Then we have the block diagram of the 8 mega microcontroller. The block diagram shows 4 ports: port A, port B, port C, and port D. Their digital interface. Then it also shows 8 ADC interface, multiplexer and ADC, program counter, stack pointer, program flash, static RAM, instruction register, instruction decoder, control lines, general purpose registers XYZ, registers ALU, status registers. Then on that side we have TWI, timers oblique counters, oscillators, internal oscillator, watchdog timer, oscillators. Then we connect crystal externally. Then MCU control and timing, interrupt unit, internal calibrated oscillator, EEPROM. EEPROM means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. USART. USART means universal synchronous asynchronous receiver transmitter. Then we have SPS, special purpose interface, computer interface, and so on. All these are connected as shown in block diagram. It is 8-bit microcontroller, therefore ALU performs 8-bit operations on 8-bit data. The operations are arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the logic operations are AND, OR, XOR, NOT, etc. Stack pointer is a register which points stack, means it stores the stacked up memory location. Program counter is a register which stores the address of the instruction which is to be currently being executed. Timers and counters are used to introduce a time delay between two events or to count the objects. Oscillators are used to give the clock pulses to timers and counters. Then we have various status registers which consist of flag and various flags. They are carry flag, zero flag, parity flag, sign flag, auxiliary carry flag, etc. So it is about the 8 mega 8 mil microcontroller. Thank you.